Welcome back, YouTubers. Well, today I'm working on an old Maytag Model 72 washing machine engine, and I was going to show you a little trick. What I'm doing right now is I'm refurbishing this pickup tube, which has it's basically a check valve. It has a disc in here, but somebody had pried out the screen, so I'm trying to put a new screen in it. This one's made a little different, so I had to go in on an engine lathe and turn out a ring that was pressed in there and form a little groove back in there. So as you can see, I've already cut a piece of brass screen, and what I'm going to do is take a ball bearing. Now, as you can see, this is just a socket wrench, but I have it sitting in this socket that's just a little bit smaller than the screen, if I can get a hold of it. Just a little bit smaller than the screen. And what I'm going to do is center it on there. I'm going to take a ball bearing that's about the same size as the screen, just a little bit smaller. Let's see if I can do this without knocking everything over. I'm going to take and put the screen on there centered, put the ball bearing in, and press it down in just slightly. And this will form the screen into a cup. As you can see, hope you can see, there it is. It's a cup now. If you're lucky, this made it small enough that it will now fit into the end. It's still a little big. Try it again with the small socket. This just happens to be the two smallest sockets in this set. I may have to go find a different socket, but hopefully this little trick will work. We'll squish it just a little more, which will form it just a little better. Now, okay, we're getting closer now. Now what we do is we get this started down in there. Sorry everything's so close, but the phone is sitting on a stand and I only have so much room to work here. So basically what I'm doing, I'm just working with my fingernails, I'm just working everything down into place. Okay, as you can see, it's now all in the groove. You simply just take your finger and smash that dude in. Now I know that's a little deformed. You can work it around a little bit. You can take your socket. This one's too big. You can take a socket if you have one. You can take something else like the end of a tool. This is a tap. The end of a tool. Just kind of work that down in there a little bit. It really doesn't matter that it's flat. Like that's actually dished up inside. Well, it really doesn't matter. As long as you don't have a hole off to one side or something. All it's going to do is screen big junk from going into your engine. And this will work on several different kinds of pickups and carburetor parts, but that's a way that you can put a screen back in something that somebody's holed it or just tore it out completely. So anyway guys, there you go, one ready to install Maytag pickup check valve. Thanks for watching.